Thank you for joining me this afternoon. I'm Jacqueline, if I haven't met you. But so we are starting to do more of these short meditations and offering to have anyone join us that would like to. And then we're saving the recordings out on our website. So you can always go back and watch it again later or join us at a different time if that works better for you. So we're also keeping them pretty short, so 10 or 15 minutes. So if people are new to meditation, it's a shorter stint to begin with. And also if you're in the middle of your workday, hopefully it's a duration that is actually going to help you to focus for the rest of your afternoon, but still be short enough that you can take a little break for your own mental health. Okay. So go ahead and find a comfortable seat. Remember, you do not have to sit cross-legged. You can sit in a chair. You can sit with bolsters, blankets, with your legs in any position that's comfortable for you. So ideally, your body is not going to be uncomfortable. So find the most comfortable position for you. And then we'll sit up as tall as we can. And we'll close our eyes and let our arms rest by our side. And we're just going to take a moment and start to tune in to the fact of our breath. And as we begin to tune into our breath, we let our breath just remain steady, really without too much effort. But remember that it's a place that you can come back to if you feel your mind engaging. And this afternoon, we're going to allow ourselves to become the observer. And so we're not going to control our thoughts, but we're also not going to engage in them. So we're not going to force any point of focus or any direction, but instead we allow ourselves to become the observer, to notice the thoughts that float in, but as they float in, we let them float right back out just as easily as they arrive. And so you allow yourself to stay, to notice the thoughts, but let them pass without judgment or ego, without participating. So if you feel yourself continuing the conversation, you come back to your breath. And so we allow ourselves to stay. And remember that it's completely normal for our mind to wander. It's completely normal for a conversation to begin to flow through our mind. But we take this time to begin to separate from those conversations and instead allow ourselves to be the observer, to let the thoughts float in and float right back out without participating, without judging. And if we feel ourselves engaged, we use our breath to bring us back. And so at any time, if we start to feel discomfort in our body, we first notice if we can pull our attention away from it. If it becomes too much, we can always move. So we don't force a sense of rigidity, but instead we allow ourselves to be the observer, to notice what thoughts, what sensations, what feelings arise. We let them float away just as quickly as they floated in. Again, we let our thoughts float in and float right back out without judgment or attachment. If we feel our mind engaging, if we feel ourselves continuing the conversation, then we redirect and come back to our breath. So we allow ourselves to be the observer, to let the thoughts float in and float right back out. If we notice ourselves engaging, we redirect and come back to our breath. So take a moment and start to come back to the fact of your breath. You can start to move your fingers and toes. And to come out of a meditation, we want to come out gradually. So you can gently open your eyes just a little and then close them. And do that a few times, each time opening your eyes a little bit more. Taking your time to come back to the present moment. And so you allow yourself to begin to reintegrate with the current space. And then we'll take a big stretch up. And as we exhale, we'll let our hands come to our heart. Just taking a moment to honor what we did for our mind, for our spirits. Thank you very much for joining me in a meditation today. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you find freedom, know peace, and walk through the world with ease. Namaste.